A factory reset is a great way to improve the performance of your device, fix software issues, erase personal data, and reclaim storage space. In this video, we're going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone. But before anything else, take time to back up your iPhone, as the factory reset will delete all your personal data and files. When ready, let's get started. From the home screen, launch the Settings app, then tap General. On the next screen, scroll down a bit and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Erase All Content and Settings at the bottom. Tap Continue and enter your passcode if prompted. You may tap Skip Backup if you're done backing up your important files and data. On the next screen, you will be prompted to enter your Apple ID password. So try doing that to verify that you want to proceed with the reset. You can then press Erase iPhone to begin the reset process. It will take a minute or two before your iPhone finishes the reset and prompts you to set it up again. And that's all there is to it. After the setup, you can continue using your iPhone as if it's a new device. You will also have an option to restore your files and data. We hope this tutorial can help you. Please leave us a comment below if you have issues with your iPhone, and we'll help you find a solution. Thanks for watching.